achieving carbon neutrality in 2050. This global target is imposing a heavy burden on the car industry. In an attempt to achieve this target, China and 18 major countries of Europe saw their 2001 sale of EV passenger cars increase significantly from the 2020 levels. As the EV market grows rapidly, individual car makers are in a very fierce competition to develop EVs at an increasingly fast pace. Nidec accelerates the pace of the auto manufacturing industry.
Just like gasoline cars, EVs are required to run, turn, stop, and provide comfort. Nidec improves its product's performance and energy efficiency in all of these aspects for EVs. In April 2019, Nidec launched the mass production of e-axle, a traction motor system comprised of 3 components: a motor, inverter, and gearbox, all of which are necessary to make a vehicle run and that serve as an EV's heart. When installed in a car to supply electricity, the e-axle can perform the entire process, up to powering the car itself. Nidec's compact and light e-axle units provide greater freedom for vehicle design, excellent power and driving performance, power consumption efficiency, and quietness. Adopting e-axle units enables auto manufacturers to develop EVs in a remarkably short length of time. Nidec's EPS, electric power steering motors, boast the world's largest market share. 1 of every 3 passenger cars sold in the world is equipped with a Nidec-produced motor. Compared with the past when hydraulic power steering systems were mainstream, motor-driven electric EPS units have taken their place, becoming essential for EVs. Another important feature is the motor's compactness, as it's installed around the steering section where space is limited. The current 4th-generation models are less than half the size of the 1st-generation products that debuted in 2003, yet demonstrate even better performance than their predecessors. Even the braking system, which is directly linked to safety and requires superior reliability, is being electrified to provide high responsiveness and safety. Many countries require that cars have an advanced emergency braking system, and there's growing momentum for adopting an electric hydraulic braking system. Approximately 50% of all new cars sold in 2030 are expected to be equipped with such a system. In addition to such products as power windows, sunroofs, and power seats, Nidec uses its unique development, design, and drive technologies to support products' evolution and improve energy efficiency. This also improves driver comfort. As the electrification of vehicles progresses, even an average car has 100 motors inside.
As you can see, Nidec is essential to EVs. In addition to its technology, there are other reasons why Nidec has become a critical company to electric vehicles.
Nidec is an automotive motor manufacturer with a global presence. Based in Japan, Nidec has built a worldwide business network that can speedily handle customer needs around the globe, including in Asia, Europe, and the Americas. In addition, Nidec not only manufactures the parts necessary for its products, but also the processing equipment and inspection equipment used to make those parts, achieving ultra-vertical integration unaffected by external supply chains for the stable production and supply of products. Just like an engine's displacement changes based on its size, Nidec has a wide lineup of e-axle units, from those for compact vehicles to ones for large SUVs, allowing installation in almost every vehicle segment. The e-axle is a 3-in-1 product that comprises a motor, inverter, and gearbox. Nidec can produce the e-axle unit with a DC-DC converter, an onboard charger, and other components to make an X-in-1 type. With an integrated housing and case, it requires fewer components and man-hours to manufacture, enabling higher efficiency and higher voltages. Neither cars nor motorbikes, compact EVs are a completely new type of vehicle. Nidec leads the world in this newly emerging trend. As today's automotive society evolves, vehicles will play a growing role, making people's lives more comfortable and convenient.
How was it? Nidec is involved in every aspect of EVs and improve the quality of those very cars. And we will continue to work hard with various auto manufacturers in the world, helping to create a car society where everyone can live safely. Nidec leads the age of the EV to create a new world.